If you are looking for a great caveman costume for Halloween or just a dress-up party, you're absolutely going to love this. This is exactly what it looks like. You're gonna get 3 pieces here. You're gonna get this blow-up bat, super easy to blow up. Literally just blow in here, shut it, you are good to go. You get this tie piece right over here. I'll take this off so you can see how long it is. And then you get the big piece right over here. This just slips right on. You could easily wear shorts under this. I don't have anything under it right now, but this is how long the actual tie is. As you can see, I'm like 5'11", so probably up to here on me. Really, really nice. You could definitely tie this in all different ways. You can see the patterns over here really well. This is actually super comfortable, which I'm kind of surprised. I got a double XL. I like to be one size up on my Halloween costumes, just so there are no issues, and I like to be able to move around. So I would say it fits 2 size, but if you want to go 1 size up, definitely do that. But if you're looking for a great Halloween caveman costume that comes with these accessories, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could use it for you.